up, everybody? Today I am somewhere, and my dad, I've like absolutely charged up my phone, and my dad's doing car washing. If you can see him washing this blue car, then that is him. Yes. We're knackered. We've just been washing cars with our dad. I'm sitting in the car just now, absolutely bored. We're gonna go for either McDonald's or something. Yeah, I don't know if we can get one. I'll be back. So I thought I lost my Batman glasses, which was when I was talking about McDonald's. I'm really hungry, so I won't be getting a little Happy Meal because my mum likes me to get anything else. I'm here with my sister today, but she doesn't want to be in it. Okay, that sucks. I do. Okay, but anyway, this is the car wash that my dad's doing. If I just zoom into you. Why? Princess baby. So oh no, there's another car going to be washed. No, 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 no. I'm starving. No. No. We'll never get McDonald's. We're not heading to McDonald's. We're going to a restaurant. Wow. Don't let them do her. Anyway, this video was awesome. Not. It was real bad. I'll be back in a sec. Mom. Mom, I paused the video. Mommy, I'm going to scream. I paused the video. I can't. I've got no shoes on. Because we're doing another car. She can hear you. I can't scream. Emma, I'm not happy, okay? I paused the video and I'm glad this didn't get on camera because if it did, I would kill myself. Mom. Mommy. It's still not connected. Hi, Nana. The phone's still not connected. Unfortunately, we're not. We're out at the car wash and I've just paused my YouTube video. Oh no, I haven't. Bye.